In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from Slack. If you're an admin or workspace owner and need to end someone's access, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect. We'll keep it simple, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so you feel confident doing this. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or in a browser and head to your workspace home. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before you proceed. The change only applies to the workspace you're managing. If you don't have the right permissions, you won't see the options we're about to use. So check with your admin team if something looks different. On the left panel, look for the Settings or Gear icon. Depending on your view, this might appear as a gear or under a menu labeled Settings or similar. Click it to open your workspace's administrative options. This is where Slack centralizes tools for managing people, channels, and policies. Next, choose Manage Members. This takes you to the member directory for your workspace. You'll see a list of everyone with access, and you can use the search bar to quickly find the person you need. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right account. Checking the display name, username, or email if it's visible can help avoid mistakes. Once you've found the correct member, click the three dots beside their name. That opens the Actions menu specific to that person. You'll see options related to their role and access. Since we're removing access, the option you want here is Deactivate Account. Click Deactivate Account. Slack will ask you to confirm, because this action immediately signs the person out and prevents them from signing back in. Confirm to complete the deactivation. After this, the user won't be able to access your workspace. Their past messages and files remain for record keeping and search, and their name may appear as deactivated in message history. If you ever need to restore access, you can return to this area later and reactivate the account, provided your policies allow it. That's the full process. Open your Slack home, use the Settings icon on the left panel, go to Manage Members, open the three-dot menu next to the person, and choose Deactivate Account. If you don't see these options, you may need elevated permissions, or your plan's settings might limit what you can do. It's also a good idea to coordinate with your HR or IT process so everyone is aligned on timing and communication. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to remove someone from Slack.